What's good, YouTube family? It's your boy Trendsetter. If you don't know who I am, if you've never seen one of my previous videos, that's probably because it's on another page. It's on my main page, Trendsetter. I kind of changed that page up a little bit, but I really want us to start getting back into what started it all. Shoes. Enough yapping, let's get into the action. We starting off with those Powerpuff Girls. And I'm really be giving y'all game on how to get into this space, at least on how I did it. It's not any advice, you shouldn't take my word as law, but I'm gonna give you some tips and tricks to how you can get things like these Powerpuff Girls that we about to review, right? Real quick, just hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, stay up to date with your boy. As always, in the comments, let me know what y'all want me to review. If y'all want me to talk anything, game, business, I'm here for anything, right? But we're gonna get right into this review. So today we got the Powerpuff Girls Nike SBs. So first up first, how do we even get shoes like this, right? Obviously the main thing is enter raffles, enter drawings. Stay up to date with it. You gotta know when these shoes are coming out, guys. And when you do know, you have to actually enter. That's the main thing. Some people, okay, I know they come out Friday at this time. Well, put on the post notifications. Sneakers loves that. They love people who interact with their platform. It's just like Instagram, it's just like TikTok. Consumers that are driving traffic to their IPO, maybe it's more likely that you're gonna win. The more you're in it, the more you win. Right? So you gotta enter the drawings first, and that's the main thing. So I got these from Humidity, right? Humidity NOLA. It's a skate shop down here in New Orleans. Shout out to the dudes at Humidity, real nice guys, real easy, flawless process. And they had two, for the main sizes, 2 tickets per shoe. Some 1 ticket. So these are extremely limited. They are dropping again tomorrow, December 15th on the sneakers app. So enter. I only have 1 pair. I entered all 3 and I struck out on 2, but we hit a home run on 1, right? And that's the thing, guys. You have to enter in order to even get to this position. Before we go to step 2, let me show you guys the package, right? So boom, we have Nike SBs. I'm gonna probably do another B-roll video of me opening it on the side, off to the side, so you can see it a little bit better, right? But I'm gonna stay right here. So we're opening it. Immediately, you can tell which color I got, right? I got bubbles. Now guys, I grew up watching Powerpuff Girls. On the inside, this is my favorite color. My favorite character, Buttercup. And I feel like Buttercup is my favorite because Buttercup was more of the tomboy, right? So my sister, she used to always have Powerpuff Girls on. I was a huge Cartoon Network fiend, so I had to get these, right? But anyway, long story short, Buttercup is my favorite. I didn't get Buttercup. I'm entering tomorrow, guys. Believe that. I need Buttercup. Never worn. Proof of purchase. Humidity NOLA. We don't do reps. I don't hate anybody who make the hustle from reps, but we don't do reps. Now immediately we have a beautiful shoe. Like, I think these are going to be very slept on. Currently they're reselling at a value of $328, $330, so around that value, and I paid $145 for these, $147. You do the math. That's a nice little spread. I mean, I encourage people to resell shoes if they don't want the shoe or if they don't need the money. Like, for instance, this is a real dope shoe. Seriously. This is a real dope shoe. Right? I don't know if you can see the bubbles reflecting off of it, but it's a real dope shoe. The blue bottom is sexy. They have Powerpuff on the tongue. Nike SB on the tongue. Something about that new shoe smell, right? Lace is beautiful in there. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful shoe, man. They did their thing on this collab, right? So the yellow laces, yellow Nike. This is a dope shoe. Matches the hat. Like, I might throw this on with something, right? So the bubbles, they actually have the bubbles reflecting. And I think bubbles will be the most popular one. I mean, on the sneakers app, they had a poll of which one people like. And it's obviously, I think the top two is, especially for men, it's obvious, man. It's Blossom. No, not Blossom. I'm sorry. Bubbles and Buttercup. Blossom is like the last choice. I wouldn't get Blossom. But Bubbles and Buttercup, I might try to get Bubbles tomorrow on sneakers too, so I could keep one and sell the other. But yeah, man. I mean, real beautiful shoe right here, man. Real beautiful shoe. I might style these, but I don't know. We'll have to see. So stay to the end to see if I style these. So step 2. What I do after I enter these raffles? Well, obviously, you have to have the money to be able to afford it. And that's the main thing. I am in no way, shape, or form giving anybody financial advice on what they should do. You know your situation. You know what's best for your situation. You save up these coins and you don't get attached to them. As simple as that. Some people might say, use a credit card. Depends on how you look at it. If you do it that way, you cannot get attached to these shoes. And at the end of the day, it's just materials. Like I said, this is Bubbles. I mean, it's a cool shoe. Like, do I have an attachment to it? Not really. I always tell my friends, if I really like it, I'll buy it again, right? So that's how you should look at it. And I know most people say if you can't afford it, yada yada yada, but I'm like, bro, it has a bottom cash value. You buy a shoe, it's gonna maintain a value. At least not all shoes, some shoes. Like these shoes will. It's SB's, it's a collab with Cartoon Network. Very limited produce. Those Kobe's drop tomorrow. I'm gonna try to get those Kobe's. Same situation. Try to get 2 pair if I can. Maybe somebody a hit for me. Buy them off somebody else. You know, whatever. Put yourself in the best situation to stay focused and disciplined. Have a plan. Attack these plans and get after these goals, right? So stay up to date on what's releasing, what's not releasing. And honestly, guys, be realistic. Like Bubbles, for instance. I probably have 3-4 things in my closet that's blue. Like, it's gonna be up to me if I want to buy a whole other outfit for it. Which, I mean, I'm picturing literally probably blue jeans, go over it, or you could do like some cargo jeans, some Dickie bottoms type. You know, there's so many ways you can style this. Just do what's best for your situation. Enter these drawings, man. Like, seriously, like, do what you have to do. Buy these shoes. Get them. It's a cop. It's a long-term play. Just so y'all don't think I'm tripping, let me pull it up for y'all. I don't know if it's gonna capture it. I have it listed at 400. I'm not gonna pull a trigger on anything lower than that because the lobster dunks, they're like 6. I feel like it'll fall in that same range, 450. You just gotta be patient. If you can sit on these shoes, sit on them. If you can't sit on them, get them and then make your little. I mean, I say little, but I mean after fees, it's probably like 280. So 280 minus the 147, like you basically almost doubled your money. So that's a dub. If you could double your money, that's a dub, guys. Like, don't look at it as, oh, it's just 133 or whatever. Look at it as, okay, I did it with this one shoe, and I can do it again, and I can do it again. It's just a skill to have, guys. Like, don't be afraid to buy nice things. I mean, you deserve nice things in life, right? So Buy these things with confidence. Buy these things knowing that, oh, if I go into this and I need to exit, this is the exit strategy. This is a good shoe to get because 1, it's fresh. 2, it's trendy. 3, it has a resale value. And like I said, it just comes down to knowing which shoes have a good resale value and which shoes don't have a good resale value. Market hype will tell you anything. Like, for instance, these Travis Scotts that's dropping. See, I'm giving too much game in this video, but this is my first video on this page, so I want to give y'all some game to let y'all know that I actually know what I'm talking about, right? Because I have a whole pair of shoes in these closets, literally. Like those Armand Meuniers, those Jordan 5s that just dropped, those black ones. Guess who got them? Guess who got them? Guess who got them? So, like, for instance, this is a shoe, and I'm gonna walk y'all through my thought process, right? These Travis Scotts, Nike Attack. See that look on y'all face y'all just did when you heard Travis Scott? You was like, you was expecting something else, but these are still Travis Scotts. So we're gonna see how that play out, right? Retailing at 120. StockX, see, I know a lot of people say StockX sell fake shoes or whatever, but like, at the end of the day, I use it for the data. If I want to, I could wear the shoe, still keep it in great condition, snap up in it, whatever, clean it, whatever, and resell it on eBay. It may not be 400, but it'll be like 375, which is still a dub. Like, come on, guys, you gotta think outside the box, right? But Pete, these Travis Scotts, right? It's a collab. Oh my God, bro. Like, this is my first time looking at it. The last sale was $535, guys. Asking for $700. Why wouldn't you enter for $120 for a chance to win these shoes that's possibly reselling for $700 plus, so you're making $600 on your money? I'm telling you right now, I probably would never wear these shoes. It might grow, but like, come on, man. Let's be real. It's Travis Scott's at the end of the day. That's what I'm saying. It's like Yeezys, Kanye West, bro. Like, you gotta know the game, right? Same situation with these Kobe's. And I'm showing y'all all this. I'm telling y'all all this because hopefully I got content to record for y'all. You know I'm not gonna have content if I'm not dropping videos on these, the Buttercups. Just trust me, it wasn't a good weekend. But yeah, Kobe, same situation. I mean, they did a surprise drop. I entered a drop on a surprise drop because I had my post notifications on, so that's how I knew it was a shock drop, right? So they shock dropped those. I didn't get them, so we're gonna try again tomorrow. And yeah, that'll be the trifecta. But like this video if you enjoyed this video. Let me know what your favorite shoes are. Let me know your thoughts of these bubbles. Let me know your thoughts of the Blossoms. Let me know your thoughts of Buttercup. Let me know your thoughts on all 3 Powerpuff collaboration with Nike SB. So, it's your boy Trent, with another video. I'm outie.